Welcome to Glenwood. My name is Lisa Stanley. We are here on the front porch of the Hill Country in beautiful Bulverde, Texas, off of Blanco Road, close to Highway 46. This gated community is a wonderful place to live and is an easy commute to San Antonio, Boerne, and New Braunfels. I have 1 and 2 acre lots available that range from $45,000 up to $89,000. This community does have a homeowners association with a moderate annual dues. There is a community pool with a pavilion and a playground that is shaded by native oak trees. Glenwood sits on 182 acres and currently has 80 custom homes. This tranquil and unique neighborhood has a very social group of neighbors. There is a coffee on Tuesday, and about once a month, the ladies have a wine and cheese get-together. The neighbors coordinate and hold 4 progressive dinners a year. The HOA holds a Halloween party at the neighborhood pool area for everyone to enjoy food and fun. This gated community is perfect for those who are looking to live in the Hill Country but can access the city quickly. Now is the time to make an offer and start your journey to build that custom home you have been dreaming about. Don't wait any longer, since sales have been very active in this community. Now is the time. I have recently helped my client with the purchase of a lot and helped her every step of the way to build her new custom home. And I can help you too. Give me a call today so I can tell you more about my listings here in Glenwood.